Hi, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. I'm just going to do a quick video today as a tutorial on the pod point chargers, as these are a very prolific charger in most areas. Also, there's a lot of free ones, but they're not quite obvious how to use them, as everything still, even though they're free, has to be done through an app. So what I'll do is take you through the app, how to set it up, and also I will then go to my local charger and show you how to initiate a charge and get everything working. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like, and then smash that notification bell so you'll be notified of when I upload my videos. Also, if you could share it, would really help the channel. Any comments are much appreciated, and also any chargers you'd like me to take you through sort of tutorial wise and how to use, I'm more than willing to do that as well. So let me just take you over to the PodPoint app and show you how everything works on there. So first of all, what you need to do is go to your Apple Store or your Google Play Store and download the PodPoint app, which is this. And then once you download this, you can then set up and register your account. And this will also allow you to put in your model of your car, etc. Now, as I said, a lot of the PodPoint chargers are free, but they also, the faster charge ones, tend to have a charge. So what you need to do, dependent on whether you are going to a free charger or whether you're going to a pay charger, is you need to top up your account. So you can do that ahead of time just by clicking on your top up and choosing the amount you want to put onto your card, and it just uses your card details. So once you have your account set up and you're on the app, all you need to do is just look for your local chargers. So as we can see here, I have one here. So if you just click on this, it will bring up the details of what chargers are there. So this will include, this will tell you all the details of those chargers, how many's available, what speeds they are. Now this local one here is just a 3 kilowatt and it's a free charger. So, you know, you can, if we look for, say, Reading. So let's go to Reading and find a pay one. Here we go. So here's one here at the Oracle Shopping Centre. Now what you will see here, these are 22 kilowatt ones, and as it says here, it's paid, so you need to pay for these now. They used to be free, but now they've started charging. The good thing as well is it tells you which ones are free. So they have a few here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 4 are currently being used and 2 are available. So you can always check before you go to see if there's availability. So once you know where you're going, you then go drive to your charger and then you get back on the app. So I will catch up with you shortly when I've gone to my local charger and go through how to set up. But just before that as well, the good thing about this PodPoint is that obviously you can get PodPoint chargers at home as a home charger, and obviously the app will then connect to that as well. And also this gives you your stats for, you know, so you can go back and see when you've used the chargers and how much you've used. You can see here that I went to a paid charger and I used 21.6 kilowatts and it cost me £6.04. So I will now go to my local charger and show you how to get plugged in and how to initiate the charge. So here we are, this is the PodPoint. This is a 7 kilowatt charger. It gives you all the information on the actual pod point, like the name. This is the crucial bit that you'll need on the app. It also gives you some basic instructions on how to do it. So let's go ahead. What you need to realise is that you will need your charger for this. You'll need a charge cable on these lower kilowatt chargers. So let's just go to the boot and get this out. So yeah, we plugged one in to the pod point. Let's just plug the other side in, and as you'll see, nothing will happen. So basically now we need to go to the phone. So let me switch you over to the app and I'll show you what we need to do. So basically, once you're all plugged in, you just go back to the PodPoint app, and then we can you find the one that you're plugged into. As you can see here, the Joel and Rob. I've plugged into B, so you just click confirm charge, and there you go. We are now charging. So it is that simple. Yeah, so that's pretty it. It's very straightforward and easy to use. And then all you need to do when you're finished is just unplug from the car. You can basically, on the app, you can stop the charge, or you can do it from in your car, and away you go. Like I say, these the free ones like these tend to need your own cable. The sort of 50 kilowatt and above ones are wired, so they're like the normal traditional chargers and fast chargers. Now, I hope this has been useful to you. As I've said earlier, please subscribe, hit the like button and smash the notification bell. It really does help. And what I will do is I will do a tutorial on each of the different chargers. For anyone who's new to EV or new to owning a car and using the charging, it could be useful. So let me know what you think. Stay safe and happy driving.